back to another interesting tutorial in Alipay. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to set up your Alipay NFC tap to pay payment and how you can buy your bank card with your Alipay NFC tap to pay. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pindodo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. After you open up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for hotspot and connections under Android Autos. It takes you right here. Go ahead and select NFC. Make sure you turn on this. Once you enable it, go ahead and click on Tap to Pay. Go ahead and select Default Payment. Go ahead and select Alipay. With that, NFC is ready for Tap to Pay in Alipay. Finally, let's go ahead to Alipay and see how we can bind our card for easy payment, contactless payment with NFC in Alipay. So I'm going to exit from here. Then go ahead and open my Alipay. After you open up your Alipay, click on Account. Click on Bank Cards. Click on Try. Then here we go. What you need to do right here, by clicking the button, you agree to let Alipay read your card information via NFC to add a bank card. Click on Start. Then right here, you have to place your bank card to the chip on Alipay. So once you place your bank card, so you can see the example right here. So this is the example right here. Place your bank card at the back of the camera on your phone. Allow the Alipay to snap the card. Once they snap the card, it's going to automatically bind into your NFC contactless payment in Alipay. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.